Welcome to our brief tutorial on placing your Spring 2021 order on Brandboom. First, you'll receive an email with Brandboom links to the season. We'll have 6, and these will be split down by ship windows. For this example, we're going to choose the November-January ship window. So you click the link, and you will be prompted to enter your email address. And once you do that, it'll take you right into the presentation. So here we'll see all the groups. They'll be listed alphabetically. And now when you mouse over a group here, you'll see more detail on the right-hand side. And if you want some added detail, you can click right into the picture. And this one happens to have a blue option to the pink. So you can click on that or the pink. And also the magnifying glass will give you even more detail. To come out of this, you just hit the X and you'll be right back to the presentation. You'll also see our start ship and cancel dates for each group. So to start placing your order, you're going to want to click the order button underneath each of the products you'd like to add. And you'll see up here in the right-hand corner, these will be populated into your cart here. And once you're ready, you're going to go to your cart, click on Go to Order. And this is where you're going to be able to enter in your quantities. So you just go ahead, enter those in. And if you want to skip a style, you can just skip it and go on to the next. And then you're going to want to come up here, enter in your store details, billing address, and if you have a different shipping address, as well as your terms that you prefer. And then scroll down to the bottom. You'll need to add a signature. Just save that. And then you'll be prompted to continue once you hit the place order button here. You can click yes. And now your order has been placed and you'll receive a confirmation email with all the information. So if you have any questions or want to do a walkthrough with us, please feel free to contact us. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.